Portable 36-inch stainless steel tool chest with top box, the perfect storage solution for your tools. Mobility is key, and with 5-inch swivel casters, moving your tool chest around is a breeze. 2 of these casters come with brakes, ensuring your tool chest stays securely in place when you need it to. The top box has a net weight of 28 kilograms, while the base cabinet weighs in at 55 kilograms, making it sturdy yet manageable. The frame, chest body, drawers, and door face are all made from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resilience in any environment. Designed to meet the needs of both residential and commercial garages, and even race environments where mobility is essential. Crafted from high-quality 0.8 mm 430 stainless steel, this roller cabinet boasts a robust construction. The drawers are made from 0.7 to 0.8 mm steel, providing strong support for all your tools. The aluminum drawer handles add a touch of elegance while ensuring a secure grip for easy access. Order yours today and experience the perfect blend of function and style, available to buy on our website at www.howdentools.com.